Omelet taco breakfast hack. It looks good. Today I'm gonna try it right here in my kitchen. We're gonna give it a try. It looked really good. I'm gonna try it in the kitchen this morning, y'all. So come on with me. Let's get started.
Kietha T, come cook with me. Kietha T, I got the recipe. Kietha T, the way for me. Yeah, we cooking up that energy.
Okay, let's get started, guys. By the way, let me know if you like my intro. We're gonna go in with some butter. I'm using, I can't believe it's butter, because you know your girl don't do too well with that dairy. It's butter all around the bottom of the pan. First thing we're going to do is we got some red onions, we've got some green peppers, and we've got some scallions. So we're going to put all of that right into the pan here. I'm going to kind of saute these for a little bit. That's step number one. Saute the vegetables. Yeah, we need some high fiber breakfast recipes over here. So when I saw this, I was like, I definitely have to try this. I'm gonna tell y'all, I saw it on Miss Rosalind Renee and Miss Rosalind. Her mom referred to Rosalind in the video, but Miss Rosalind Renee is who I saw making this, and it looked absolutely delicious. So y'all see those peppers sauteing in our pan first. That's what we're working with. Now I'm using brown and served sausage that I've already cooked and chopped up. We're going to go ahead and add that to the pan. She kind of kept everything in a circular motion, so let's see if we can do that. Okay, we're gonna need 1 egg. Let's go ahead and do that. Ready? 1 egg. I'm gonna add some salt. I'm gonna add some black pepper. Now, I hope I'm saying her name right. Miss Rosalind only added some garlic powder and onion powder. But I am also going to add just a tad bit of, oh, that's a little much. I'm going to also add some Lawry's seasoned salt. Just a little bit. Because I want a little bit more flavor. I'm just going to beat that egg up. Okay, y'all stay with me now. How's it looking? Oh, it's smelling delicious. Y'all see that? Ooh, it looks good. And I'm gonna pour this egg right on top. Just like that. Yeah, I forgot to take my cheese out. Let me get the cheese. Okay, you kind of want to keep that circle form as much as possible. Alright, we're using Mission Zero Net Carbs, guys. High fiber, no sugar. take one taco and just lay it right on top. The challenge is about to be on, y'all. The challenge is the flip. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we can flip it, y'all. Oh, not too bad, not too bad. Y'all see that? That's what it's looking like. Now we're gonna go in with some mozzarella cheese. And then we're gonna add some mild cheddar. Ooh, I can get the bag open. Come on. Doesn't that look delicious? I don't remember what she did after this point, but since we're talking taco, I'm going to go ahead and try to fold it over. No need to keep that stove on. Go ahead and turn it off at this point. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't it a beauty? Oh my goodness. I wish I had some salsa sauce. Don't have any salsa sauce. And I'm just smashing it. I want it to stay together when I get ready to eat this baby. Okay, let's go ahead and get it out of the pot. This is what we have, y'all. I've got some avocado slices and some fresh strawberries, and there is our taco omelet. What y'all think? I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Should I do a taste test for you all? All right, let's go in for the taste. God bless it, y'all. God bless it. Yeah, she wasn't lying, y'all. This is good. You gotta make you one. Miss Rosalind, Renee, thank you so much. I'm glad I came across your channel and I saw you preparing this dish. This is amazing. You wanna stay on track? Y'all saw how easy it was to prepare that, right? Make you one and come back and let me know. Let me know in the video, is this something that you would eat? Drop it in the comments. Anyway, y'all, it's your girl Kietha T. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please give the video a thumbs up. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Y'all be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all. Avocado. Y'all see that? Look at that. Oh, in the comments.